It's day one.
Yeah.
In the middle of the day.
Yeah.
But day one regardless.
And we just hiked 2 mountains.
Yeah, and it's sick.
It was so
we
fun.
saw a crawdaddy.
We got lots of rides.
Jingle jangle, Merry Christmas. Oh my god, the matching hiking boots. Jesus.
We did that.
We're gonna get lunch probably.
Food.
Likely.
I'm hungry.
She's always hungry.
I'm hungry.
Cut. We're out here with the red Converse in Knoxville.
Yay.
Sick sock, bro. Everything is closed, and it makes me mad. We've been trying to find like a place to eat / a place to have coffee for me, and it's not going very well. So, tag. We found coffee.
We got coffee.
Yay!
I had I almost said brioche. Like, what is it called?
A biscotti?
There we go.
Yes. Oh, it's an almond chocolate
I
biscotti.
Maserati.
Oh, yep.
Like
Maserati.
With a B.
Good.
The words fail me regularly.
The cop has walked past us twice, and
I have not asked any questions.
yeah, we have this plan that I'll turn it around. Hold on. There is this plan apparently. There's this plan that
I have questions about EMS and the way it works in Knoxville because it's fuckery up here.
and he's off-site twice, and Breezy's supposed to ask some questions, but she's not.
I panic every time.
Yep.
The police stresses me out, and I work for them.
Classic. Hello.
Oh, this is good.
I forgot to end everything last night, and I also forgot to begin everything in the earlier parts of the day.
To be honest, we only just started like an hour ago.
Yeah, like we got showered and, you know, hygiene and stuff. We went and stopped at this cute little local place in Monterey
Called Walkers.
Yes. Cute coffee shop. I want to see if I didn't already mess up the cute little thing they put on top on mine. Oh, it's gone. They put like a purple Santa Claus face on it and like a
glitter.
Yeah, some like glitter. It's so cute. I got the sweater weather, which is like white chocolate and salted caramel, I think.
She wrote lovely on her cups.
So, oh my gosh, I love them. It's so cute. It's got like little clothes and stuff in there, little ditties.
Unfortunately, does not match the aesthetic.
Yeah, and also my outfit sucks today.
It's actually very cute. She's just.
I hate it. It's just like giving me too many different vibes in one, on one body.
That black hat would have tied it together.
It would have, yeah. So, yeah, we're off to Nashville to just look around.
And then we're off to New York.
Yeah, so plans changed a little bit, but we'll get back to that when we get back to that.
check. You look so good.
Big Smoky Mountains, good old Tennessee. This is what everybody talks about. And we're here at the river, on the river rocks, and maybe we'll get to see a bear. That'd be nice. I fell in the water, so my shoes and my socks are wet and sloshy, and I don't know how I'm going to continue because where am I going to get new shoes and socks? So that's the question. We've been finding rocks, we'd be foraging. These ones are really flat. We'd be foraging. So the question is, why does Gatlinburg have moats?
Battle.
What are we protecting each other from? Got some winter soup food and a BLT.
I gotta blend in. I gotta say bless her heart after 5 seconds. You gotta say it with the country twang. Yeah, yeah.
Bless her heart.
Oh my god, that was perfect. It's unreal.
Can't do it. But we're in Buc-ee's. What are we? Well, vlog, I'm back home. Looking at a pile of trash from the 7th floor. That sounds about right. I've got really nothing to say. I parked like several blocks away, so I have none of our stuff. I just really want like a coffee or something to eat.
I'm fucking starving, but I want to change and shower first.
Yeah,
before we go
and I'm
to
like
bed.
just deciding like, do I even bother changing at this point? Because I'm just so tired. I just want to.
Yes.
I just need to refuel. You know. What do I do? How do we find closer parking? That's kind of the dilemma that I'm in right now. And looking at this pile of trash isn't helping. Beautiful view. I mean, but if you look straight across, lawn chairs and planters, they're living a life over there. It's a good time. We out here at the subway.
It is so cold.
It is. It's like the chill.
Yeah.
The
My
wind.
nose is running.
We're waiting for the end. It's gonna board in 8 minutes. We're out here trying to get brunch because it is like 11. Breakfast brunch. I'm gonna go to Sanford's and eat some brunch. She flies out today.
Thank God.
Yeah.
I get to spend 3 hours in the airport doing like hood rat shit, so it's not gonna be disappointing.
True. I wish I was spending 3 hours in the airport getting able to do foot rat shit.
As I phrased it right.
Yes. Foot rat shit. So, that's all. Welcome to New York.